like I always say, I'm not racing anybody, so I'm not interested in, you know, X number of carbs per hour, and I got a lot of fat, so it's very unlikely that I'll run out of fuel. I may not be able to access all of it, but you know, you put enough in to make your body want more. Yeah. So then it starts pulling more. Right. So I don't do it to lose weight, because otherwise I'd be very disappointed. But if you lost weight, looks like you've done a good job. Yeah, I've lost about 60 pounds. At one point, I lost almost 100, but you know how that goes. Yeah, I do. Well, maybe you don't, but I'll lose it, and then, you know, life happens, and I happen, and food happens. Yeah, I didn't get fat being a quitter. I try to keep my weight in the same type of area, and all right, grumpy old man, Seagull Century, mile 33, still going, definitely slowing down. So like, what's that, 73 miles to go? You all right? I'm doing fine. You all right? All about me. So, on Sand Road, chugging along. Thought I was really running out of steam. It was actually a teeny tiny hill. Forest Road. Aptly named. I'll take over a while if you want. Okay. Make sure I don't miss a turn. Okay. Tree. You get up front, boy. You take off. Huh? never followed someone before. This is really nice. Yep, that's my name. I am on your left. Yeah. Yep, gotcha. See you down the trail. Well, I lost my guys. Heart rate got a little too high, so needed to back it off. They're not far, I can still see them, but I'll see them at the next rest stop. But whew, lack of training. It's kind of a common theme in my videos, I think. I don't think I'll ever let it get in my way, but I can still enjoy it just slower. This thing has like virtually no hills. I've gone 41.4 miles. I've only had an ascent of 292 feet, so it's pretty flat. But I do enjoy the like little bits that are down, coming on your left. I'm getting sweat in my eyes like crazy. It's like super humid. Ooh, that's the slowest I've gone. It was nice having a little crew there for a minute. Maybe 36 miles or so. They'd be like, "Oh, Lou, I'll take the front." I'd be like, "Okay," and then they just take off. I'm like, "Okay, bye." So, all good. We'd all agreed up front that everybody's going to take off at some point. Well, take off or drop back. Hey. But my heart rate hit 174. That's, I can't do that. I mean, I can, I do, but that's just not wise when I've got 60 something miles left. So I'll just cruise along. Good morning. I think one of my buddies is waiting for me. Hey fellas, you ain't gotta wait for me. Oh. But yeah, my heart rate got a little too high. Okay. So I just kind of had to back off for a while. Thank you. You didn't have to stop though. That was very nice of them. There we go. Ooh. Hey, I like it. Excuse me.
Don't push too hard, man.
Oh, I'm not. No, I was feeling it and I was like, you know, I looked down, I was like, oh shit, 174.
Oh wow.
Yeah, I was like, oh, that's not good. So, woo. Okay. Okay. Sorry. Stop number 2 at Mount Olive United Methodist Church. Oh. Taped off the cemetery. Woo! Nice. Grumpy old man signing off. See you down the trail.